place in my heart where you live, wrapped up in boxes, hoping I would forget, but I didn't. It didn't work. You dragging me down, pulling me under. We're in a storm. I'm the lightning, you're the thunder. I can't.
Please. Oh, well, leave the phone. Oh, yeah, hello, I'm going to help. I don't know who sent you. Give it to me. Oh, well, leave me alone. I'm angry with you. Leave me. Don't hurt me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm angry with you. If I talk to you, you don't used to listen. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. So you want to use kiss to bribe me now? Are you guys seeing this boy? He want to use kiss to bribe me. I will tell him not to do something. That is the time that I know he will do the thing most. I told him not to touch my phone. He still went to go and bring the phone for me. I didn't send you to bring phone for me. Bring it. I didn't send him to bring phone for me. He just went to go and bring his my phone and his dad's phone, as if I sent him. Now you want to use kiss to bribe me. So guys, welcome back again to another vlog. It's your girl here, Promise Brazy, and you're highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, you're highly welcome to this channel. My name is Promise and I'm a mom vlogger based here in Spain. Welcome to this channel. Please consider hitting the red button that says subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So guys, welcome back again to another vlog. So today I have an appointment. I'm going to take the vacuna today. I wasn't really ready to take it at this point, but I see many of my friends have taken it. Me, I'm the kind of person, if something is going on, I don't like to be in front. I don't like to do it first. I like to see many people, a lot of people doing it before I now finally have the mind and say, okay, it's time for me to go and try my own. If not, I won't have taken it. A lot of my friends here, a lot of my friends here have taken the vaccine. They are even asking me, Promise, you haven't taken it? I said no. They said they might start using money to take the vaccine later. That is the only thing. That money, that is the only thing that motivates me to go and take this vaccine. Oh, I was actually thinking to go and take Sita to go and take the vaccine, but luckily they just called me yesterday and asked me if I have taken the vaccine. I mean, they called me from the hospital and asked me if I have taken the vaccine. I said no, they haven't taken it, and they asked me if I want to take. I said yes, they should give me an appointment that I want to take it. So they asked me questions like, are you pregnant? Do you have allergic? Do you have any emails? Like, you know, those questions they just ask me. I answer them on phone. So guys, today I have an appointment to go and take the vaccine, first dose, right? Because I heard that it's two doses. So I'm taking the first one today, and right now I'm cooking. I want to just quickly prepare soup before I'll go to the hospital, because I have appointments like 4 p.m. and right now it's 1 p.m. I still have like 3 hours before I'll go, or 2 hours before I'll go to the hospital. So I just want to quickly prepare soup. I'm preparing a goosey soup. What is it? What? So I'm preparing a goosey soup. Oh, yeah, go and bring the remote. Let me put for you. Bring the remote. See it there. So I'm preparing a goosey soup today. I just want to have a lot of food at home so that if I take it, I don't want to stress myself too much, because I heard that after taking it you don't have to stress yourself. Like, stressing is not good. That is what I heard though. You know, say this one they talk you, this one they talk you, that one they are talking you. So you don't know the one to take anymore. Anyway, I just want to avoid story for the girls. I want to like do everything. I have about 3 soup in my freezer now. I have okra soup, I have banga soup, and I'm cooking a goosey soup right now. I have jollof rice, I have stew. So I don't want to stress myself after taking it. I know after taking it, so that I'll just relax. I'll know it's just to go to fridge, warm your food, and you eat. Oh, well, what is it? What do you want? What do you want? That is it, guys. That is what I'm doing right now. Right now my soup is on fire. I'm going for my first dose today, and I pray everything goes well, because according to some people it does affect some people, but I just hope it doesn't affect me. So guys, I want to go and cook. Let me be done. So guys, my soup is ready now. I'm just trying to clean everywhere, then maybe later I can pack the soup and put in the fridge, because now it's still very hot, so I can't put it in fridge now. So let me show you guys my soup. Right, here you go. Here is my goosey soup. It's ready now. I just finished preparing it, so I want to clean here, then I'll bake. So guys, I slept off before I pet or went to sleep, and I slept off. So right now I'm about to leave the house. I'm about to go to the hospital. It's 3:30 now. Yeah, it's 3:30. Yeah, so 3:30. Before I'll get there, it will be 4 p.m. So I'll see you guys when I get there. If they allow me to vlog, I'm going to vlog when I'm taking it, but if they don't allow me, there's no problem, it's fine. So I'll just try my best if I can get a little clip of it. So guys, I'll see you guys later, okay?
My stomach is screaming, familiar feeling, I've been here before. I should be leaving, cause you make me need it, and I'll crave you more. Yeah, cause I can see a pattern, you're like a dirty habit, I always run back to you. I'm on my worst behavior, but babe, I know it better than to cry over you. I'm so I bet you're falling, not falling, not falling. So well I bet it's so wanting, I'm wanting you. I'm on cloud nine and I'm just floating, I'm floating, I'm floating.
So guys, I just took the vaccine. Yeah, so they asked me to like sit down for just 15 minutes before I leave. So I took it just now, so I'm going to wait for like 15 minutes before I'll go home. So because they asked me to wait for 15 minutes. So the next one is going to be on the 30th, 20 something days later. So I'm going to take the second dose. This is the first dose. They gave me sitter for the second dose. They gave me appointments, which is sitter for the second dose. I'll be taking the second dose on the 30th. Today is 9, so I'll be taking the second on the 30th. That is 20 something days. Yeah, so right now I'm waiting for 15 minutes before I will leave this place, like they said.
The next day.
Hey guys, welcome back again. Today is the next day on this vlog. You're welcome back again to the channel. So guys, I had the vaccine yesterday. Yeah, so since yesterday I've been feeling the pain. Immediately I took the vaccine, I didn't feel any pain. At all. After like 3 hours, I start to feel the pain in my hand, because I took it in this hand, in this left hand. So after 3 hours, I started feeling the pains, like the place where I took the vaccine was paining me, still paining me up to now. Today is the second day. Although I took paracetamol yesterday, and my husband said I should put like something that is very cold, block. So I tried that yesterday as well. I put block and I took paracetamol. The pain kind of reduced yesterday, but right now this is the next day and I haven't taken paracetamol today. So this morning I want to go and take paracetamol again. I want to take another paracetamol today, so that to release the pain, guys, because it's so painful. Seriously, I will not lie you. But apart from that, there's nothing. I'm not feeling any other thing for now. I'm not feeling any other thing. That is the only pain I'm feeling where I took it, because some say it normally make them sick. Yeah, I know somebody who he and his wife took it. They were so sick, like they felt sick. So mine didn't make me sick. The only thing I'm feeling is just this pain. So I just pray the pain kind of reduce very soon. Of course it will reduce, but I just have to be taking the paracetamol. I'm not using anything to rub it. I'm just going to be taking that paracetamol. I'll take this morning now, and I will also take another one in the evening. So apart from that, there is no other side effects at all. For now, I haven't feel any other thing at all. So guys, I just thought I should update you guys. Yesterday, after I came back from the hospital, I wasn't able to vlog again, so I just said today I'm going to update you guys how I'm feeling and how it went. Still update you guys in my next video though, because right now I want to go out. Yeah, I want to go out right now, and I will still update you guys maybe in my next video if I feel anything, or if there's any other pain I'm feeling apart from this particular one I'm feeling. Here is so painful right now. Like, I'm feeling the pain. It's painful. Like, I can't even raise this my hand now. I can't even raise it well because it's so painful. And that's it, guys. They gave me another appointment to come back on the 30th to take the second dose. And someone was telling me, my auntie was actually telling me that the vaccine is two types, whether there are different names. Which one did they give me? Like, I don't know the name of the one they gave me. Now vaccine I know say I take you know, so I don't know the one they gave me, because they actually say it's two type or it's three type, or they have different names. Boy, I don't take my vaccine now. No. So guys, thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I'm going to be ending this vlog here right now, because I'm about to go and take my paracetamol now, so that I'll go for shopping for Owen's school things. I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video. You see who is dancing with me. I'm saying look at it, boo boo, look at here. I'm saying in my next video, he's doing like this. In my next video, say hi. So we are all going together for the shopping. This is my friend, this is my friend's son that I showed you guys in one of my vlogs the other time. So she's here. We are all going for the shopping together. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Thank you all so much for watching the vlog. I'll see you all in my next vlog. Okay, for now, stay blessed. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye.